I am the Knight. I am Batman.
Hello everyone, my name is TDK and today I'm going to unboxing Justice League Warworld on Blu-ray. Nice looking on artwork, it's fine. Artwork, I love the artwork. Here's a DC logo here, and here's a spine. There's a Lex Luthor character over here, very cool. And here's the back, very cool. I'm just going to read the recap of the movie. Okay. Warworld is like no other enemy. Who are the mysterious gunslinger with a golden lasso, the barbaric warrior with a dark knight's helmet, and the mild mannered spectacular G-Man? More importantly, how are they key to rescuing Wonder Woman, Batman, and Superman, who disappear from Earth? From waking hell, that is the omnipotent battle planet Warworld. Their desperate fights for survival in seemingly unrelated time period could lead directly to unraveling the fate of the entire Justice League itself, as well as looming crisis in the DC universe. Okay, so there are two special features. So go behind the scenes with the illusions on Warworld featured, deep into the origins and the histories of the key players in the heroic, the horrible, and the hideous. Okay, so there are two features, and this movie is rated R for some bloody violence. For the Canadian rating is PG. Okay, and this takes 91 minutes. This movie takes 91 minutes. Okay, so let's open up and let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the front. Here's the spine, here's the back. Let's open up. Wow, very cool, I like it. Here's a Blu-ray disc of the Justice League Warworld. Okay, this is going to be the end of the video, so I hope you have a good day. And thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, and you can follow me on Twitter and right over here. Here's my my username here. Alright, so see you next video. Bye.